Hello guys, this is Dr. Sheikh, and today I will talk about OET speaking. This is the most easiest part of the OET, and this is the most unique part because in this part you have to face the interlocutor. The duration of OET speaking is 20 minutes, and you have to face the two cards. There are four very important things in OET speaking. If you do these four things during your OET speaking, you will definitely pass OET speaking. Number one important thing is the introduction, that how you introduce yourself. So I'm going to tell you the two examples that you have to do during your OET speaking. Number one, if you're OET speaking in morning, so you have to introduce yourself like this, like, good morning, I am Dr. Ali Umer, the treating physician for today. May I confirm your name and age, please? And the other example, like, good morning, I am Dr. Ali Umer, the treating physician for today. Before proceeding further, may I confirm your name and age, please? So this is the best example and the easiest one. After knowing the interlocutor or the patient name, you have to address the interlocutor or the patient with the name. Like if he is saying that my name is Ahmed, then after that you have to address the name. Like, yes, Mr. Ahmed. So may I know that what brings you here today? So after the introduction, you have to ask about the main complaint of the patient. In this way, like, I have gone through your case notes, but I want to know from your own words that what actually brings you here today. So when he addresses his complaint to you, you have to show the sympathy like this, that it must be a stressful situation for you at this time, but I am with you in this condition and you will get rid from this condition. After showing sympathy, if you have to show the reassurance again and again, like, I understand your concern, I appreciate your concern, I am with you in this situation. After the ending of discussion, you have to give a good gesture, like wishing you a good recovery and a good health. Goodbye. Wishing you a speedy recovery. Goodbye. So these are the four very important things. If you do these four things, you will confirm pass your OET speaking. So thank you so much. If you have any question, you can ask in comments.